Until now, I've shown you tools that you can use to improve the performance. So this is your responsibility. And when we have used the first 3 samples, we have used JavaScript and CSS, and we did not combine them. But in general, in a bigger application, you are working with a tool that is called bundler tool, bundler examples. Okay, so Webpack, Rollup, Parcel, and also when using with Next.js, you are using TurboPack. Here I'm using TurboPack. Okay, so for my production project, I'm using TurboPack. So this turbo means TurboPack. And this bundler helps you in few ways. One is it bundles, it takes few files and puts them together, and it also minimizes the files. So let's try to understand it better. Okay, so now I'm invoking npm run dev, npm run dev, and now I'm using Firefox, but you can use also Chrome, and I want to look at the CSS and JavaScript file, and I want to look and notice that this is npm run dev, meaning I've used the regular files, and the bundler is not going to bundle the file together, it's not going to minimize files. So let's see how it looks on the network. So if I'm going to testimonials, and let's refresh. Okay, so you see 34 requests, and you see that there was a transfer of almost 1 megabyte. Okay, now let's see what happened if I'm using the build version. Okay, so let's do npm start, and npm start will run the build version, the optimized version, and here it will minimize the JavaScript and CSS files. For example, remove comment, remove empty lines, and it will bundle files together. So if we had before 34 requests, because we had 34 files, when I'm using now the production version, I will have much less. Okay, so you see only 9 requests and only about 120 kilobytes. So here I have, with the production version, only 120 kilobytes transferred, and here 8 times more. So what is the difference? Well, here the bundler does not try to minimize the files, and it does not try to bundle them together. And here on the production, he takes the files and makes them smaller, and also take whatever file he can and bundle them together, so we will get less requests.